Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can send tickets on the Ticketmaster app. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. Here are the steps to send tickets on the Ticketmaster app. Open the Ticketmaster app and sign into your account. After that, tap My Events and select the event to view your tickets. Tap Transfer. If the transfer button is grayed out, your tickets aren't eligible for transfer. Select the tickets you would like to transfer and tap on Transfer. Now enter your recipient's information, including their mobile number or email address. You can even add a note too, then tap Transfer Ticket. So that's basically how you can send tickets on Ticketmaster app. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.